Noodles today. Holy spicy chicken noodles.
Mommy, I like to put this on my face, water on my face. Me too, Mom.
Hello, what are you lot doing? Get out of the kitchen now.
No, you have to put me.
You lot doing all sorts. Excuse me. Go and get a towel.
You put that on my face.
Go and get a towel and dry your faces. Elijah, pick up your bunny. If you get bunny dirty, then what? Keep your bunny clean like me and Joe have. 4 in the packet. Was it 4 in the pack? In Iceland they cost £1.40. I got them into the international food place around the corner.
Mom,
Josiah, go and dry yourself. Well, you look like that.
Josiah, dry
Listen
yourself.
with the water.
Hello?
Yeah, you do that, Lige. Comes with some noodles. You just put in the pot to boil.
I'm gonna do my bunny's hair. Bunny, you need your hair done.
This is really good. I definitely would recommend. You can put some potatoes. I eat it with some potatoes, boiled potatoes. Some kind of potatoes. You can also add boiled eggs as well. Comes with, this is really nice. Comes with some garnish. Really good. Garnishing with real vegetables. It's really good. Yeah, if you like noodles, I'm sure you do. It comes with a spicy powder. Depending on your spice, you put it to your own spice. Yeah, you pour it for your own spice temperature. I don't pour the whole thing in. I don't pour the whole thing in, but I think I kind of did. These are so good. Highly recommended. Korean spicy chicken noodle flavour, guys.